പ്പെട്ടവളാകുന്നു. അങ്ങയുടെ ഉദരത്തിൻ ഫലമായി ഈശോ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കപ്പെട്ടവനാകുന്നു. പരിശുദ്ധ മറിയമ്മേ തമ്പുരാന്റെ അമ്മേ, പാപികളായ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഇപ്പോഴും ഞങ്ങളുടെ മരണസമയത്തും തമ്പുരാന്റെ അപേക്ഷിക്കണമേ. ആമേൻ. സർവശക്തനും സർവജ്ഞാനിയുമായ ദൈവം തൻ്റെ അനുഗ്രഹത്താൽ നിങ്ങളെ ശക്തിപ്പെടുത്തുമാറാകട്ടെ. ലോകൈക ഗുരുവായ ക്രിസ്തു നിത്യജീവന്റെ വചനങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളെ പ്രബുദ്ധരാക്കുമാറാകട്ടെ. പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവായ ദൈവം സമസ്ത സത്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചുമുള്ള അറിവിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളെ അനയിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുമാറാകട്ടെ. സർവശക്തനായ ദൈവം പിതാവും പുത്രനും പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവും നിങ്ങളെവരെയും സമർത്ഥമായിട്ട് അനുഗ്രഹിക്കുമാറാകട്ടെ.
സ്തുതി പാടുവിൻ, നാഥനെ വാഴ്ത്തിടുവിൻ. മഹിമകൾ തിങ്ങും മിഹപരനെ നിത്യം പാടി പുകഴ്ത്തിടുവിൻ. സൃഷ്ടികളെ സ്തുതി പാടുവിൻ, നാഥനെ വാഴ്ത്തിടുവിൻ. മഹിമകൾ തിങ്ങും മിഹപരനെ നിത്യം പാടി
Now that the blessing is over, in the letter to the St. Paul's we read, Paul plants, Apollo waters, and God gives the increase. As I mentioned in the beginning, it was for Kuruvala's dream that we have realized today. And the person who made us realize this great dream is Varghese Anukuri. It was a tiresome, strenuous effort to realize this dream. And he's left no stone unturned to make it a massive structure for the benefit, for the use of Loyola School. Let us be grateful to him for the wonderful work he has done. And now our Archbishop has blessed this building. It's a great privilege and honor for us that the Archbishop is with us. In the name of everybody, the fathers and brothers of the Jesuit House, Loyola College, LES, the staff and students of Loyola School, I extend sincere thanks for your Lordship. Thank you, Lordship.
First, we have a welcome speech from the school leader, Ajit John.
L for life, A for art. There is life in every art. The spirit of LAFest is embodied in this single line. From the participants who leave their indelible impressions of their art in our hearts, to the organizers who burn the midnight oil to come out with the format of the events, from the judges who bring out the best in the participants, to the spectators who exercise their vocal cords to fill this auditorium with cries of joy and encouragement. LAFest is all about celebration of life through arts. And today, on this occasion, we have with us a very special guest, the Archbishop of Trivandrum, His Lordship, Right Reverend Dr. Susepakim. His Lordship has been closely associated with the Jesuits. His anti-liquor campaigns have gone a long way in reforming the society. We are indeed fortunate to be blessed by his presence. On behalf of the principal, staff, students, and all those who have gathered here, I welcome your Lordship to this function. Reverend Father Varghese Anikuri SJ, principal of our school, has been witness to all LAFest since 2000. We've had his strong backing throughout the endeavor of ours. Father, I extend a hearty welcome to you. Each LAFest is made special by the participating schools. By staging events of paramount quality, they have left an indelible mark in the chronicles of LAFest. I welcome the teachers and students of the participating schools to this year's LAFest. Known for the impartial judging of events, LAFest is made possible by the superior panel of judges we have. I extend a hearty welcome to them. LAFest owes its success to the teaching and non-teaching staff of Loyola, as well as the ex-Loyalites. I most happily welcome them to this LAFest. I'd also like to welcome my fellow coordinators and Loyalites to the occasion, and every guest who has come here to be a part of LAFest and make it a grand success. There will be and there should be competition, for it is this competition that we shall witness the birth of new heroes. As I sign off to LAFest 2009, let us be guided by the underlying spirit of LAFest that will live forever. L for life, A for art. There's life in every art. Welcome one and all to LAFest 2009.
Thank you for those inspiring words, Ajit. Next, we have a speech from the events coordinator, Abhishek B.S.
Your Lordship, Right Reverend Dr. Susepakim, Archbishop of Trivandrum, Reverend Father Varghese Anikuri, Principal Loyola School, honorable dignitaries on and off the days, teachers and students. 1996 saw the ICC Cricket World Cup in the Indian subcontinent. What went unnoticed to the rest of the world became an instant hit in Trivandrum. Now, into its 14th avatar, the brainchild of the 96-97 batch of Loyalites, LAFest has turned into a top priority event in the city's teenage cultural itinerary. What has made LAFest the instant hit is that it has turned out to be the student-oriented format it boasts of. With a small twist to the democracy slogan, this is a cultural fest for, by and of the teenagers. Every LAFest has spotted the mark of the batch of senior Loyalites who played host, and this has led to a unity in diversity of LAFest.